Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot: when can I log into Newton? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Newton, but they're not sure when they can actually start using it. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the process for you and explain everything you need to know. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. So, let's get started. When can I log into Newton? There are two main scenarios where you can log into Newton. When you first create an account. When you first create an account with Newton, you will need to verify your identity. This process usually takes a few days. Once your identity has been verified, you will be able to log into your account and start using Newton. After you have made a deposit. Once you have made a deposit into your Newton account, you will be able to log in and start trading immediately. How to create a Newton account? If you're not already a Newton user, you can create an account by following these steps. Go to the Newton website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password. Click on the Create Account button. You will be asked to verify your identity. This process usually takes a few days. 1. ZBLL.com. ZBLL.com. Once your identity has been verified, you will be able to log into your account and start using Newton. How to make a deposit into your Newton account? There are a few different ways to make a deposit into your Newton account. Here are a few of the most popular options. Bank transfer, credit card, debit card, cryptocurrency. Once you have made a deposit, you will be able to log in and start trading immediately. What can I do with Newton? Once you're logged into Newton, you can do a number of things, including buy and sell cryptocurrencies, set up recurring buys, track your portfolio, and more. Here are a few additional tips for logging into Newton. Make sure you have the latest version of the Newton app or website. If you are having trouble logging in, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. If you are still having trouble logging in, contact Newton support. I hope this video has helped you understand when you can log into Newton. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I would also like to add that Newton is a great platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. They offer a wide variety of coins and tokens, and their fees are very competitive. I highly recommend checking them out if you're looking for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.